Most years, the inner solar system is quiet. Maybe one or two bright comets to watch, if we're lucky. But late 2025 is different. For the first time in modern history, a true comet swarm is diving toward the sun, and leading the pack is 3I Atlas, a mysterious interstellar traveler bigger and stranger than almost anything we've ever seen. Its coma is already the size of a planet, glowing with exotic gases, and scientists say it's just getting started. Some believe this sudden influx of icy visitors could supercharge solar storms, and maybe even put on a sky show visible to the naked eye. So why are so many comets arriving all at once? And what secrets could 3I Atlas reveal as it races through our cosmic backyard? Let's unravel the rarest comet season of our lifetime.
Most comets stay quiet until they're well inside Jupiter's orbit, but 3I Atlas started waking up far earlier, glowing faintly even when it was still 6.5 astronomical units away out near Saturn's neighborhood. Since then, its activity has been ramping up at a staggering pace. Its coma has ballooned to over 700,000 kilometers wide. That's nearly the size of Jupiter, and it's expanding by the week. Astronomers say this is unusually fast, even compared to Borisov, the last interstellar visitor. Its brightness curve is also strange. Instead of following the steady, predictable brightening we expect from most comets, 3I Atlas is surging ahead of schedule, suggesting it may have large patches of fresh, volatile ice exposed on its surface. That could mean sudden outbursts are coming, possibly releasing huge jets of gas and dust. And then there's its color. Observations show an eerie greenish-blue glow, caused by carbon-based molecules breaking apart under sunlight. It's beautiful, but it's also a clue that the comet's chemistry is unlike anything in our backyard. All of this means 3I Atlas might put on a far bigger show than expected, or fizzle completely if it fragments on its way around the sun. Either way, it's already breaking the rules astronomers thought they knew about comets.
Late October through early November 2025 could turn into the most exciting skywatching season in years. On October 21st, Comet C 2025 R2 SW makes its closest approach to Earth, just 0.25 AU away, putting it within reach of binoculars, maybe even the naked eye under dark skies. At almost the same time, 3I Atlas slips behind the Sun at Superior Conjunction, where space telescopes will keep watch for sudden outbursts or tail events. Then comes November 8th, when Comet Lemmon reaches perihelion and brightens in the evening sky, potentially glowing as bright as magnitude 3.5. For casual stargazers, this could be the easiest comet sighting in over a decade. No fancy equipment required, just a clear view after sunset. But this cosmic lineup isn't just pretty. With several comets crossing the plane of the solar system near the same time, researchers are watching for interactions with solar storms. A strong coronal mass ejection slamming into a comet's ion tail can literally snap it off, an event known as a tail disconnection. Space weather centers are already preparing to monitor the sun more closely, hoping to catch one of these events live. And while no comet in this group poses any threat to Earth, the sheer number of icy visitors has sparked debate. Some scientists believe the extra dust and plasma could slightly tweak the sun's magnetic environment, potentially leading to a spike in solar activity. Others argue the effect would be minimal, that the sun is far too massive for a few comets to make any real difference. Either way, the next few months will be a natural experiment in real time, with the entire solar system as the laboratory.
Astronomers are calling 2025 a statistical outlier, a year that simply shouldn't happen based on what we know. In an average year, only one comet gets bright enough to study in detail, and many years pass with nothing but faint, distant specks. Yet this season, 7 major comets are crowding the inner solar system, all arriving within just a few months of each other. So what's going on? Some researchers suggest this is just cosmic coincidence,
the result of improved sky surveys like ATLAS, PanSTARRS, and ZTF, spotting more objects than ever before. In other words, the comets were always there, we just weren't good enough at finding them. But others think something bigger might be at play. Could the sun's current solar maximum be stirring up dormant comets in the outer solar system, nudging more of them inward? Or is this cluster a clue that our solar system passed through a dusty patch of the Milky Way, sending more icy bodies tumbling toward the sun? For now, no one knows for sure. But astronomers are treating this as a rare natural experiment, tracking the choreography of these icy visitors, looking for patterns in their orbits, and asking whether this traffic jam hints at a deeper cycle we've yet to understand. Whatever the cause, it's clear we're witnessing something that might not happen again for generations.
What's happening in late 2025 is more than just a series of pretty sky shows. It's a rare cosmic convergence. 7 comets, 1 interstellar visitor, and a sun entering one of its most turbulent phases. Each icy traveler is a time capsule from the edges of space, and together they're giving us a once-in-a-lifetime look at how the solar system, and maybe even other star systems, were built. 3I Atlas is the star of the show, a true alien messenger carrying material forged around another sun. Every image we capture, every spectrum we record, is rewriting what we thought we knew about comets, about interstellar chemistry, and about our place in the galaxy. Whether this season ends with glowing tails lighting up our night skies, or a string of unexpected solar storms, one thing is certain: this is the year we'll talk about for decades. So, grab a pair of binoculars, follow the live feeds, and keep your eyes on the dawn sky, because the story of this comet swarm is still unfolding, and the next surprise could happen any day.